This presentation is about the palladium and platinum elements. Platinum's atomic number is 78, atomic mass is 195.09 grams per mole. Density is 21.5 grams per cubic centimeter. Its melting point is 1772 degrees Celsius while its boiling point is 3800 degrees Celsius. Molar heat capacity is 25.86 joules per mole Kelvin. Heat of vaporization is 510 kilojoules per mole. And its heat of fusion is 22.17 kilojoules per mole. Between fluorite and apatite on the Mohs scale, the hardness of this element is 4.3. Platinum is found in group 10, via IB, of the periodic table. It is a lustrous silvery white malleable, ductile and a noble metal. It is very unreactive. It doesn't even react with oxygen in air, so it doesn't rust or tarnish. It's also reasonably resistant to attack from acids. Because of being expensive, other platinum group metals such as palladium are often used in its place. It is known as magic metal because catalytic converters strip out pollutants from car engine exhaust gases. Like palladium, it is also suitable for jewelry and useful in dental fillings, surgical tools and laboratory apparatus that can be shaped, and its inertness makes it particularly suitable for jewelry. It has many uses. Its wear and tarnish resistance characteristics are well suited for making fine jewelry. It is used as a catalyst in the catalytic converter, an optional component of the gasoline-fueled automobile exhaust system. The largest use, 50%, of platinum is for jewelry. Another 20% is used in industry. Platinum is used in the chemical, electrical, glass and aircraft industries, each accounting for about 10 tons of the metal per year. The glass industry uses platinum for optical fibers and liquid crystal display glass, especially for laptops. It is unaffected by air and water, but will dissolve in hot aqua regia to give aqueous chloroplatinic acid. It is as resistant as gold to corrosion and tarnishing. Indeed, platinum will not oxidize in air no matter how strongly it is heated. As a soft acid, platinum has a great affinity for sulfur, such as on dimethyl sulfoxide, TMSO. Numerous TMSO complexes have been reported, and care should be taken in the choice of reaction solvent. It is as resistant as gold to corrosion and tarnishing. Indeed, platinum will not oxidize in air no matter how strongly it is heated. It has a coefficient of expansion almost equal to that of soda-lime silica glass, and is therefore used to make sealed electrodes in glass systems. Hydrogen and oxygen gas mixtures explode in the presence of platinum wire. 6 naturally occurring isotopes. Platinum 194 equals 33%, most abundant. Platinum 195 equals 34%. Platinum 196 equals 25%. Platinum 198 equals 7%. Platinum 192 equals 1%. Platinum 190 equals 0.01%. The latter is weakly radioactive, with a half-life of 700 billion years, while the other 5 are non-radioactive. Platinum is a noble metal. The concentrations of platinum in the soil, water and air are very minimal. In some places deposits can be found that are very rich in platinum, mainly in South Africa, the Soviet Union and the United States. Platinum is used as a component of several metal products, such as electrodes, and it can be used as a catalyst of a number of chemical reactions. Platinum as a metal is not very dangerous, but platinum salts can cause several health effects, such as DNA alterations, cancer, allergic reactions of the skin and the mucous membrane, damage to organs, such as intestines, kidneys and bone marrow, hearing damage. Disadvantage of platinum is that it can cause potentiation of the toxicity of other dangerous chemicals in the human body, such as selenium. Palladium's atomic number is 46, atomic mass is 106.42. Density is 21.5 grams per cubic centimeter. Its melting point is 1554.8 degrees Celsius while its boiling point is 2963 degrees Celsius. Molar heat capacity is 25.98 joules per mole Kelvin. Heat of vaporization is 350 kilojoules per mole. And its heat of fusion is 16.74 kilojoules per mole. Palladium is found in Group 10, via IB, Row 5 of the periodic table. The periodic table is a chart that shows how chemical elements are related to each other. Together with ruthenium, rhodium, osmium, indium, and platinum they are called the noble metals. That term reflects the fact that the 6 elements are not very reactive. It has been found uncombined in nature but most is found in sulfide minerals such as braggot. It is extracted commercially as a byproduct of nickel refining. It is also extracted as a byproduct of copper and zinc refining. Like the other platinum metals, palladium is quite rare. It also has a beautiful shiny finish that does not tarnish easily. These properties make it desirable in making jewelry, dental filling and crowns. In electronic industry, ceramic capacitors found in laptop, computers and mobile phones, consists of layers of palladium and ceramic ions. Palladium is a soft, silver-white metal, both malleable and ductile. Malleable means capable of being hammered into thin sheets. Ductile means capable of being drawn into thin wires. The malleability of palladium is similar to that of gold. It can be hammered into sheets no more than about a millionth of a centimeter thick. It is a good catalyst, used for hydrogenation and dehydrogenation reactions. Palladium catalysts are used in breaking down petroleum to make high-quality gasoline and other products. It is also used in the production of some essential chemicals, such as sulfuric acid, which is used in paper and fabric production. The catalytic converters used in automobiles today may also contain a palladium catalyst. A catalytic converter is a device added to a car's exhaust system. It helps the fuel used in the car burn more efficiently. Palladium has the curious ability to absorb large quantities of hydrogen gas up to 900 times its own volume, and this has generated some interest in its alloys as a storage system for hydrogen as a portable fuel for automobiles. It was also prominent in the cold fusion controversy some years ago when it was said, apparently falsely, that when it was made to absorb heavy hydrogen, deuterium, the atoms would undergo fusion and release more energy than was put into the process. Palladium, also called as the least noble of the noble metals because it is the most reactive of the platinum group. It combines poorly with oxygen under normal conditions but will catch fire if ground into powder. It does not react with most acids at room temperature but will do so when mixed with most hot acids. The metal will also combine with fluorine and chlorine when very hot. Palladium oxide forms on the surface of palladium when heated above 800 degrees Celsius in air. It tarnishes lightly in a moist atmosphere containing sulfur. Palladium chloride forms when palladium reacts with chlorine. It dissolves nitric acid and precipitates palladium acetate on addition of acetic acid. Palladium chloride is the principal starting material in preparing a heterogeneous palladium catalysts like palladium on barium sulfate, palladium on carbon and palladium chloride on carbon. It reacts with triphenylphosphine in coordinating solvents to give this triphenylphosphine palladium chloride, a useful catalyst. Reduction of this phosphine complex with hydrazine with more phosphine gives tetrakis triphenylphosphine palladium 0, one of the two major palladium 0 complexes. My references are as follows.